Jeanette from China. Recently we have received an inquiry from a European audience who's living here in Shenzhen and is keen on exploring porcelains here in China. So today I'm gonna bring you to visit a renowned factory shop located in Shenzhen Shekou district. And after that I'm gonna show you around to visit some interesting spots nearby that you can drop by during the weekend while you're here in Shenzhen. Okay, let's go. We're going there. SeaWorld. Okay, but first of all, what is a factory shop? Doesn't mean that the shop is operated by the factory. Well, it depends. Some factories might delegate a special business unit within their company or organization to run the shop. And the factory will cover all the costs, such as staff salary and rental. And some factories choose to work with external business operators, such as trading company, who specialize in marketing and sales. And the factory will simply focus on production and offer their product to these trading companies at a preferential and exclusive rate. By doing this, it will enable the trading company to be willing to develop long-term cooperation with the factories and to sell their products, so that the factory does not need to spend extra money on marketing or sales. And this factory shop we're visiting today, I heard is very famous and it's on the 4th floor of some warehouse, but I've never been here before, so I don't think this is the right place. Ooh. I think I come to the wrong building. Oh no! Anyway. Okay, now we come down. I think it's in the other building. Oh, there it is. Splendid Porter. Let's go. Oh yes, here it is. Splendid Porter. This is the kind of like factory area. There's a lot of warehouse around. Ooh, this is something interesting. Live as you want. Be brave, be kind, be yourself. Good things are going to happen. A day with you. Wow, how nice is that? It's very inspiring. That's a good vibe. Ooh. Live as you want. Be brave, be kind. We are here. Oh, it's a coffee shop. And then Splendid Porter. Okay, let's get inside. Talking about China porcelain. The export of Chinese porcelain has a rich history that dates back to the Tang Dynasty in 618. Prior to the 16th century, Chinese porcelain was primarily exported to Asian regions, the Persian area, the Middle East, and a few parts of Eastern Africa. However, Chinese porcelain had a limited and rare presence in Europe due to the constraints of trading routes, where land carriage posed a risk of cracking the delicate porcelain during transportation. Things changed in the early 16th century when Portugal established trade routes to the Far East and began commercial trade with Asia. This development, coupled with advancements in shipping technology, led to an increase in the availability of Chinese porcelain in European markets. Look at this set. Look. This is a cup, and this is a teapot that you can... Huh? Oh, okay. It's a teapot. Oops. Oh, very secure. Very cute. I really like these kind of cup. Which color is nicer? I prefer this one. It looks like cucumber.
I got a set of coffee cup. Guess which one did I get? Leave your comment below.
Okay, after getting our porcelain cup, let's go and explore. Ooh, something nearby. Oh, there's a. What is that? Some bugs. Let's go and explore something interesting nearby. But first of all, let's grab a cup of coffee. Okay, where should I go? Where should I go? Oh no. It's a typical factory area in China where there's a lot of warehouses, and you'll see a lot of courier company as well in the same district. So once you put an order online, and then the factory can send the cargo to you directly through all these, logistics companies nearby. Okay, now we're waiting for the traffic light. Oh, okay. Let's cross the road first. It's Friday. Okay, now we are safe. Many of you have contacted us asking to talk to the factory directly because many of you mentioned a point that you don't want to talk to the trading company on some e-commerce platforms. You want to talk to the factory directly because you believe that talking to the factory directly can guarantee the lowest purchasing price and is the ideal situation. But is that true? Well, it really depends. Well, actually, there are two factors. The first factor is the type of product that you are buying. Whether you are buying, generic product, or you are buying like customized product. And the second factor is the quantity of the product that you are buying, or let's say your purchasing power. So whether you are buying in bulk or you are doing like drop shipping by purchasing several pieces every time, that will make the difference in terms of whether it's more appropriate for you to deal with a factory or it's better for you to deal with a trading company. Let me explain. Imagine you saw a nice coffee cup online and thought about reselling it without any changes. So you reach out to the factory, but they tell you they can't sell it because their distribution partner, a trading company, has exclusive rights to that specific product's design and distribution. In this scenario, you can only do business with the trading company, not the factory. Now let's say you want to customize a product. You might think, great, now I can approach the factory directly, right? Well, in theory, yes, factories are always open to customers. However, in reality, dealing directly with the factory might not be feasible for you. Why? To customize a coffee cup, the factory might have a requirement of a minimum order quantity, MOQ, of 500 pieces, but your budget only allows for 50 pieces. Without the additional order of 450 more cups, it wouldn't be cost-effective for the factory to start production. In this case, if a trading company is willing to collaborate with you and jointly develop a product, you can bring your design to life. Welcome to watch this video here. It will help you evaluate whether dealing with a trading company or a factory is the right choice for you with a clear and rational mindset. Busy Friday! Okay, we're going to the SeaWorld, and now it's around 5:30 and people start to get off work, so it's getting busy now. Let's cross the road. Actually, SeaWorld is not quite far away from the porcelain shop that we just went to, the factory shop that we just, went. And the SeaWorld is another famous kind of like a tourist spot. Here in Shenzhen, there's a saying that if you have never come to SeaWorld, you're not in Shenzhen. SeaWorld. SeaWorld. SeaWorld station, line 12 or line 2. And that is the boat. It says SeaWorld in Chinese. 海上世界 means SeaWorld. I think the last time I came here was like 10 years ago. And there's a lot of, restaurants here. There's a lot of restaurants. So at night, it's quite lively. And there are also some souvenir shops along the roadside. Oh, there's a lot. All these souvenir shops. Okay, take one selfie with this cruise, Minghua cruise. Actually, it was a luxury cruise manufactured by a French company, and its name is called Enquiry. I forgot the pronunciation, but I will put its name here, and let me know how to pronounce it. Okay, and now I've changed my mind, although it's just like a 5:40 at this moment, but I'm already hungry, so I'm trying to find a restaurant and let's see what we're gonna have. There's a lot of restaurants nearby, so you don't have to worry. There's a lot of food that you can eat and try. Do you see that? That is the fountain. At night there's some music fountain. It's kind of like performance along this old cruise. Let me check what time is the music performance. Let's go there to have a look. There's a lot of restaurants, so we can have one round of walk and then decide which restaurant to try. And I just checked, the music fountain will start performance at 7 p.m. So we still get 1 hour to go to enjoy the food. But I think it's the best to have your food while the music fountain is on, right? The crowd is getting bigger. Actually, it looks nice from this angle. We were over there just now, and then we can walk one round and cross the bridge. Oh, do you see that hotel? I have a video covering some interesting stuff in that hotel. Check out the other video of mine and enjoy watching. Oh, this is the congee shop. They're selling congee. You know, Chinese people like congee. I like congee also. And their congee tastes nice. This one, it tastes good. But I'm not going to have congee tonight. Or maybe. I'm not sure. After one round of walking, I was seduced by the smell of hot pot. So now I come to this place to have hot pot. So this is what I've ordered. Tomato soup base, some vegetable, and this is tofu, and that is beef, and that is the tea they give you. Some tea. And now cook the beef into the soup. And also the vegetable. And also some tofu. Now the soup is boiling. And it will scoop out the foam on top of the soup so that the soup is clear. And actually, when you have Chinese hot pot, it must be very hot. Actually, it's not. There's a lot of many other choices. For example, today I ordered this tomato-based soup You can also order like a mushroom-based soup, or there are some other choices. You can just ask the staff if you don't want to have a spicy soup. Let's start to eat now. So just now they have put the duck blood in the soup, and now it's like floating. When you see it is floating, then it's okay to eat. It's cooked. Many of you probably dare not to try the duck blood, but actually it's okay. It looks like tofu. And then you put it in the dipping sauce. The dipping sauce. Just put it in and have a try. Inside the duck blood, actually it looks like this. Ooh, it's hot. So it's cooked. Okay, just finished the dinner, and now let's go and have a look at the music fountain. It's on the other side. At night, here's a lot of people. You see the boat? The cruise, not the boat, the cruise. Oh, this is something quite famous right now in China, multi ice cream. Let's go have a look. Multi ice cream.
Someone is singing, let's go and have a look.
Wow, it seems that it starts. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I've never seen this music fountain before. Wow, look at there. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like my video, welcome to subscribe to my channel. If you need any product sourcing or logistics or fulfillment services from China, welcome to visit our website or contact us by WhatsApp. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!